In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode on ChatGPT. If you prefer a darker screen that feels easier on the eyes, especially at night or in low light environments, ChatGPT makes this very simple to change. The setting is built right into the app or website, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few seconds. To get started, open ChatGPT and look toward the lower left corner of the screen. There, you'll find your profile area. Go ahead and click your profile. This is where ChatGPT keeps account-related options and personalization settings, so it's the first place to visit when you want to change how the interface looks. After clicking your profile, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This will open the main settings panel where you can adjust different parts of your ChatGPT experience. If you don't see it immediately, just take a second to scan the menu carefully. The option is usually clearly labeled. Once you're inside Settings, look for the Appearance section. Click into Appearance to view the display options available for the ChatGPT interface. This area controls the visual theme, which affects the overall brightness and color style of the platform. If you use ChatGPT often, then customizing this setting can make the experience more comfortable and more visually consistent with the rest of your device setup. Inside Appearance, you'll see theme choices. To enable dark mode, click on dark. As soon as you select it, the interface should update right away, switching from the lighter look to a darker one. This change can help reduce glare and may feel more relaxing during longer sessions. And that's it. Dark mode is now turned on in ChatGPT. If you ever want to switch back, you can return to the same Appearance section and choose a different theme. This is useful if you prefer dark mode at night, but want a lighter display during the day. One quick tip: if your screen doesn't seem to change immediately, give it a moment and make sure the dark option is actually selected. In most cases, the update happens instantly. That's all you need to do to turn on dark mode on ChatGPT. It's a fast customization, but it can make a big difference in comfort and readability, especially if you spend a lot of time on the platform.